Lord Shiva is also going to Nirgunam, and Sri Mahavishnu also going to Nirgunam. That is the state of penance they are doing. That is, they are doing. Vaktumarha Sheshena Vibhutyatma Vibhutidam Vaktumarha Sheshena Vibhutim Vistarmaya Yebhir Vibhutir Bhirim Lokanstvimam Vyapya Tishtasi. Now Arjuna is telling that I know you are the entire thing. So you are the only person who can enter your explain your glory. You are the only person who can explain entire your glory, because you are pervaded in the entire universe. Because you are pervaded in the entire universe, and you can explain this your own divine glory. Kathamijyamaham yogam tvam sada parichintayan keshu keshu bhaveshu chinchosi bhagavanmaya. In this way he is also asking, how can I pray you? What are the aspects of your glory? What are the divisions of your glory? How can I remember you? How can you pray you? Like that Paramatma, Arjuna is asking, Keshu Keshu Bhaveshu Chinchosi Bhagavan Maya. How can I worship you? Like that he is asking. Vistarena Atmana Atmanu Vivitum Divyatma Vibhotayaha Bhuya Kadhaya Truptirhi Kathab Bhuya Kadhaya Truptirhi Shunmatomi Nasti Amrutam. That is Bhuya Kadhaya Truptirhi Shrunato Nasti Me Amrutam. That means by hearing your glory divine, till now I am not at all satisfied. Again, please tell me. This is like nectar. I am feeling that. Please repeat again, and please tell me some more divine glories. Like that Paramatma, Arjuna is asking. Then Paramatma is replying, Hantate kadhishyami divyatma vibhotayaha pradhanya tarah kurusreshta naschantyo vistarashyame. That means my glory is endless. My glory is endless. But only thing is, among the groups of all these sections, I will tell the prominence and the important thing which is among the group or the heap. If I tell that important thing, the rest of the section or sector is me alone. Like that pradhanyataraha kutasreshta, according to the importance and prominence, I am telling. Simply, you please hear me. Hantata kadhishyami. Now itself I will tell you. Kadhishyami. Vibhuta Vistarasymaya. That means I will tell my glory, my divine glory. First I will tell you, Ahamatma Gudakesa Sarva Bhotasya Stata Aham Aditya Majjancha Bhotanam Antayevacha. This is the very important slokam, key slokam to know about the Paramatma. That is, when Paramatma is saying that aham, me, like that, when he is telling that means a person who is hearing about this Bhagavad Gita, what is that aham? Who is that Paramatma? What is the nature of that Paramatma? He says that Ahamatma Gudakesha. Oh Gudakesha, I am the Atman. I am the Atman. Sarvabhotasya stitha. I am dwelling in every being. Not only the human beings, I am dwelling in every being. Aham aditya bhotancha bhotanam majjancha bhotanam antayevacha. I am the beginning, I am the middle, I am the ending also. That means within me the every being is coming and existing and going out. That is the meaning behind it. But here Paramatma is addressing Arjuna as Gudakesha. This what is meant by Gudakesha. Gudakesha means conquering, one who conquers the sleep is called, Guda means sleep. Isha means conquered. Who has conquered the sleep is called Gudakesha. Gudakesha, unless you conquer the sleep, one can never become a jnani. That is the science behind it. That's why the Paramatma is telling that unless you are, because you are also Gudakesha, you have also conquered the sleep, you alone can understand my divine glory. In that way, he started telling that Ahamatma Gudakesha, I am Atman. Here, the sleeping is there is a great science in the sleep. The sleep, when there is sleep, naturally you will be succumbed for this ignorance, that is illusion. So the sleep, tamastvajnanajam vidhi. Sleep means tamaha, tamastvajnanajam vidhi. Tamas means that is the ignorance, that is ignorance only. So one who conquers sleep means one who conquers the ignorance by getting knowledge. Knowledge by what? Energy. Energy by what? Yoga sadhana. That is the thing. With this science behind that, in Mahabharata Yuddham, at the end of this Bhishma, when he has fallen into the arrow bed, he was Lord Sri Krishna was going to Bhishma to see his death bed. Then Bhishma was praising Yam Vinidra Chatasvasa Santushto Sanyatendriha Jyotipashyanti Yunjanam Tasmai Yogatmane Namaha. This is the exact description of Paramatma. That is Yam Vinidra Chatasvasa, one who conquers the respirations. One who conquers the respiration, mind you, one who stops the respiration, not the stopping of the respirations. One who conquers the respiration, Jatasvasa Vinidra. That means one who conquers the respiration, he will conquer the sleep. Yam Vinidra Jatasvata Swasa Santushto Sanyatendriha. One who will be always with happiness, Sanyatendriha. One who gets control over his senses. That is only by conquering the respiration. That is by conquering life force. By doing yoga sadhana can only conquer the sleep, conquer the senses, and he will be always happy. Jyoti Pashyanti Yunjanam. By doing yoga sadhana, the divine light will be seen by Paramatma. That is the one who sees the divine light always. He is the Paramatma. Tasmai Yogatmane Namaha. For him only I am saluting. That is the description of Paramatma. With the same sense, Paramatma is expressing Arjuna himself as Ahamatma Gudakesha. I am Atman. If anybody wants to reach Paramatma, he has to reach his own Buddhi Guha. Yes, because Paramatma is dwelling everywhere in the Buddhi Guha of everywhere. So you have to reach the Buddhi Guha only, not going to at the heart level or somewhere else, nothing like that. You have to reach the Buddhi Guha only. In the same manner, in 18th chapter, Ishvara Sarvabhutanam Hruddesya Arjuna Tishtati Brahmayan Sarvabhutani Yantrarudhani Maya. Paramatma, there also he was telling that Ishvara, in the third person like that, he is telling that Hruddesya Arjuna Tishtati. The Lord Ishvara will be staying at the Hruddhi Buddhi Guha, heart space, heart in the sense Soshma heart, the subtle heart, not the grosser heart, that is at the Brahmajam. Like that, Ahamatma Gudakesha Sarvabhutasya Sthita. I am staying at the Brahmajam of every being. Sarvabhutasya Sthita. Aham Aditya Majjancha Bhutanam Antayevacha. In this way, Paramatma first told about his glory, that I am the Atman, staying everywhere in the heart space of every being. Now he is describing, going on describing Adityanam aham Vishnuhu Jyotisham Raviram Saman Marichir Marutamasme Nakshatranam aham Sasi. This is the description Paramatma is telling. Adityanam aham Vishnuhu. There are about 33 Devatas. Everywhere we say that 33 kotla Devatas. They are not 33 kotla, they are 33 only. They are 33 only. Among the 33, the 12 are Adityas. Among the 12, I am the Vishnu. Among the 12 Adityas, there are 12 Adityas and Ekadasha Rudrasas, 11 Rudras and Ashtavasus, that is 8 Vasus, and put together there will be 31, and Ashwini Devatas 2 put together there are 33. So here first he started telling that Adityanam Aham Vishnuhu. So mind you, though I am taken incarnation as Vishnu, but I am beyond Vishnu. I am beyond this Sri Krishna form. I am unmanifested. I am beyond all these things. Like that he is telling that Adityanam Aham Vishnuhu Jyotisham Raviravi Saman. Among the luminaries, whatever the illuminating object is there, among them the sun is the most illuminating object, so I am that sun also. Marichir Marutamasme, I am the Marichi of the Marudevas, and Nakshatranam Aham Sese, I am the moon among the stars. Here also there is a misconception about this. Some people who are trying to know about through this logic, here Paramatma says Nakshatranam Aham Sese, but according to science, this will never agree. The moon is a planet, not even a planet, it is subplanet. This is the Upagraham of the earth. But the Nakshatram, that means stars they are all suns only. They are like suns only. So those suns are staying long. They are very distant. Even for the light may reach to star about 100,000 light years. So they are in such a distance stars. But whereas the planets are just within the lakhs of within the lakhs of kilometers, just like the moon is also staying away just from the earth about 1.5 lakhs, like that. But Paramatma is addressing that Nakshatranam Aham Sesi. How can it be possible? Only by the light. Light means if you see from here into the sky, the most illuminating object is only the moon in the night. Rest of the things, they are twinkling. The stars will be twinkling, whereas the planets will be illuminating throughout. They will be illuminating throughout. The moon, the light coming from the moon will be continuous. It will never twinkle. Even from the other planets also, even the Venus also. Most illuminating planet in the sky is Venus, that is Shukra. That is also constantly illuminating, but it will never twinkle. The twinkling will be coming from the stars. So you can identify in the sky that whichever twinkles is star and whichever gives rise to continuous light is either the moon or other planets. This is the difference according to science. But what Paramatma says is that whatever the most illuminating in the sky is moon, and the other stars are with little light only. I am the light coming from the light. So I am not the moon, but I am the light of the moon. I am light of the sun. I am light of the Vishnu. So like that, I am the source of the moon and the sun. He is expressing Nakshatrana Aham Sese, Vedanam Samavedosme, Devanam Asmi Vasavaha, Indriyanam Manaschasme, Bhutanam Asmi Chetana. In this way, Paramatma is telling Vedanam Samavedosme. There are Vedas, there are Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Adharana Vedas. Among the four, and other than these four, I am the most valuable Vedam is Samavedam. Why? Because Samavedam contains Omkaram. It tells about this Omkaram. That's why Samvedosme. Samvedosme, this is the biggest Vedam among the four Vedas. It contains 1000 Upanishads. This is the biggest Vedam. That's why Vedanam Samavedosme. Samvedasmi Devanam Asmi Vasavaha. I am the Indra of all the Devatas. I am the Indra. I am the Indra of the all the Devatas. Asmi Vasava. Asmi Vasavaha. Indriyanam Manaschashmi. I am the mind of the senses, because I am the mind is the king of the senses. Why? Because without mind, no sense can do its function. No mind, no sense will do its function. The mind is the king of the senses. Suppose if the mind is going somewhere, and if you see anything in front of you, you cannot see. You cannot see. If the mind is going somewhere, if you hear anything, you cannot hear. So, Anyatramana abhuvam, Anyatramana abhuv nasrosham, Manasa hesha bhashyati, Manasa srunoti. In this way, it says in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, it says whatever the sense is working, that is worked by the mind only. That's why Indriyana Manaschashmi. I am the mind of the senses. Bhutanam asmi Chetana. In every being, I am the Chetanam. Chetanam means here Chaitanyam, or the intelligence, whatever the force, divine force is there in every being, I am that only. I am that only. Rudranam Sankraschashmi. Vitteshu Yaksha Rakshasam. Sunam Pavakaschasmi. Meru Sikranamaham. In this way, Paramatma is telling Rudranam Sankraschashmi. Again, there are Ekadasha Rudras. Among the 33 Devatas, the 11 Devatas are Rudras only. Rudranam Sankraschasmi. Among the Ekadasha Rudras, I am the Sankara. Rudranam Sankraschasmi. Vittesu Yaksha Rakshasam. I am the god of wealth, that is Kubera. Vittesa means Kubera. I am the Kubera of the both Yaksha and Rakshasas. I am the wealth of God, that is Kubera. Vasunam Pavakaschasmi. Among the Ashtavasus, I am the fire. So I am the fire among the 8 Vasus, and Meru Sikranamaham. I am the peak top of the other mountains, that is Meru Parvatam. That is Meru Parvatam. Meru Parvatam, there is another meaning also, that is our head itself is called Meru Parvatam. Our head itself is Meru Parvatam, and our spinal cord itself is called Merudandam. So our spinal cord is Merudandam, and our head is Meru Parvatam. Here, in the glory of divine, about God, he says that Meru Sakranamaham Vasunam Pavakaschasmi. I am the fire among the Ashtavasus. You know, Bhishma in Mahabharata, Bhishma Pitamaha, was supposed to be one of the Vasus who has taken incarnations as Bhishma. So when he was as Ashtavasus, among the Ashtavasus, he took incarnation as Bhishma. That is also there in the Mahabharata. So Vasunam Pavakaschasmi Meru Sikranamaham Maham Brahada Purodhansas Mamukyam Vidhipartha Brahaspatim Shananam Ahansmandaha Skandaha Meru Sarasamasmi Sagaraha. Sarasamasmi Sagaraha. He is explaining that Brahaspati, you know, there are household priests, Purohitas. Among the Purohitas, Brahaspati, Buddha, the Brahaspati is the among all these household priests, and among the generals in the military, I am the most of the generals, I am the head of the generals, that is, I am Skanda, that is Kumaraswamy, that is Kartikeyan. I am the Skanda of all these generals, and Asmi Sagaraha, Sarasamasmi Sagaraha. Among the lakes, I am the ocean. So, whatever the great thing is among that section, I am that great thing, is explained like that. Sarasamasmi Sagaraha. Maharshinam Bhrugraham. Giramasmi Ekamaksharam. Yajnanam Japayajnosmi. Stavaranam Himalayaha. He is explaining. Maharshinam Bhrugraham. Among the Maharshis, Bhrigu Maharshi is the great. Even in Vedantam there used to be one context that Bhrugvadi Tattva Nirnayaha. One there is a description about one who is trying to know about this Maya or illusion. Then they have come to a conclusion that including Bhrigu Maharshi told that Bhrugvadi Tattva Nirnayaha. Bhrigu including Bhrigu Maharshi also could not describe about this Maya. Like that, the Bhrigu Maharshi is the topmost among the Maharshis. Maharshinam Bhrugraham Giramasmyakam Ekavaksharam. I am the single syllable, that is Omkaram, of among the all these Aksharas. That means I am the Omkaram, I am the Pranavam. So whatever the essence of Vedam is nothing but this Pranavam only. Among the Rishis, I am the Bhrigu Maharshi. Among the Aksharas, I am the Omkaram. And Yajnanam Japayajyosmi. Among the sacrifices, I am the Japayajyam. Japayajyam means the repetition of the syllables in a silent mood. When there is a repetition of this any japam, any mantram is called japam. That means silent repetition of these syllables is called Japayajyam. That's why Yajnanam Japayajyosmi. Whatever the yajnam you do outside, but among the sacrifices, the Japayajyam is the most important. I am that Japayajyam. But beyond that, I am this Omkaram. That is already told. So don't think that only this Japa is great, but beyond this Japayajyam also, I am Omkaram Stavaranam Himalayaha. Among the immovable things is Himalaya. That is the greatest immovable structure in this earth is Himalaya. So whatever the immovable structure is there, that is I am Himalayas. Aswadha Sarvarukshanam Devarshim Naradaha. Devarshinam Naradaha Gandharvanam Chitraradaha Muninam Siddhanam Kapilo Munihi. Siddhanam Kapilo Munihi is going telling that Aswadha Saravrukshanam. Among the trees, Aswatham, there is a tree with heart-shaped leaves, that is called Ravichettu. That Aswadha tree is very important. Why? Because it is sacred of all the trees. In that this Aswatha Vruksham, the Vishnu will be residing. The Vishnu will be residing. Not only Vishnu, Trimurtis, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara also will be residing. And not only that, this Aswatha Vruksham is useful for the offerings in the Agni Homagundam. That is cutting into small pieces that will be used for this Ahuti. Homagundam also, this secret tree of Aswatham is very important. So that's why I am that important tree as Aswatha Vruksham. And Devarshinam Naradaha, among the divine rishis, in the Devatas, I am the Narada. I am the Narada. Gandharvanam Chitraradaha, among the Gandharvas, I am the Chitraradaha. And Siddhanam Kapilo Munihi. The Kapila Maharshi is among the Siddhas. Kapila Maharshi is the pioneer of this Sankhya Shastram. So Kapila Sankhya Shastram is there. So whatever the great rishi is there, I am that. Uchchaisravasam Asvanam Vidhip Mam Amrutodbhavam Airavatam Gajandranaham Naranancha Naradhipam. He is telling that Uchchaisravasam Asvanam. Among the horses, I am the Uchchaisravasam. Uchchaisravasam means that is the horse emanated while churning this milky ocean done by the Devatas and Asuras. When they are churning this milky ocean, among the products, byproducts is Uchchavasramu, that is the divine horse, and there is another elephant that is called Airavatam. So Airavatam that is given to Indra. Uchchaisram Aswadam Vidhimam Amrutodbhavam. When the churning of the Milky Ocean is done, the Uchchaisram and the Airavatam and Naranamcha Naradhipam. I am the king of the human beings. So I am like that. Ayudhanam Aham Vajram and Dhenunam Asmi Kamadhuk. Among the weapons, I am the diamond, I am the thunderbolt, I am the Vajram. Ayudhanam Aham Vajram. I am the weapons, the Vajram among all the weapons. I am Ayudhanam Aham Vajram. Dhenunam Asmi Kamadhuk. There is one cow that is called divine cow, Kamadhenu. This Kamadhenu will fulfill all the desires. Wherever the Kamadhenu is there, Kamadhenu, Kalparoksham, all these came out of this churning of this Milky Ocean. So Kamadhenu is also, I am that. Whatever the desire is there, that will be fulfilled by this divine cow. Dhenunam asmi Kamadhuk. Rajanaschasmi Kandarpaha Sarpanam Asmi Vasukihi. So Rajanaschasmi Kandarpaha. I am the Manmadha for procreation, for generation of this creation, that is for offsprings, getting offsprings. I will act as Manmadha. I am the Manmadha, and with me only all these people are getting this conjugation happiness, and with that this creation is coming forth. So Rajanasmi Kandarpagaha and Sarpanam Asmi Vasukihi. Among the serpents, I am the Vasuki, which is the Vasuki is crawling around the neck of the Lord Shiva. There are Anantasmi Naganam, Varunam Yadasamaham, Pitrunam Anilchamasmi, Yama Sanyatamaham. Here also he is telling the important things. Previous lokam is said that I am the Vasuki of all the serpents. Now he is telling that Anantanam Naganam Anantasmi. That means I am Ananta, that is Adishesha. What is the difference between the Naganam and the serpents? The serpents are poisonous. They will be having single head. But whereas the Nagas, they will be having multi hoods. They will be having multi hoods without poison. Multi hoods without poison are Nagas, and single head with poison are called serpents. So here Paramatma has divided these snakes into two classes, that is serpents and Nagas. Anantasmi Naganam Anantasmi Naganam Varuna Yadasamaham. Varunam Yadasamaham. That is, I am Varunadeva of all the watery deities. That is Varunam Yadasamaham. That means I am the supreme deity of the water deities, that is Varuna. And Indriyana Pitrunam Armichamasmi. Among the Pitrudevatas, I am the Aryama. I am the greatest of the Pitrudevatas, that is called Aryama. And Yama Sanyatamaham, that is among the controller, that is Yamadharmaraja. I am the Yamadharmaraja of all the controllers. So like that, the important beings, I am that. Prahaladashasmi Daityanam Kaleh Kaletamaham Mugenancha Mugendroham Vainatescha Pakshinam. He is telling that I am Prahaladashasmi Daityanam. I am Diti. I am the sons of the Diti, Daityanam, and among them I am the Prahalada, because even though they are Ditis, Daityas, but the devotional heart is Prahalada. So among the Devata, the Rakshasas, I am the Prahalada Shasmi Daishyanam, Kala Kalayatamaham. I am the Kala, I am the time of the, who counts the time, that is reckoners. So, one who counts the time, I am the Kala, I am Kala of the Kalayatam, that is the time of the reckoners. And Mruganancha Mrugendoham, that means I am the line of the entire forest of animals. Mruganancha Mrugendoham, I am the line of the forest animals. Vainitescha Pakshinam, that means I am the Garutmanta, that is among the birds. I am the topmost creature is the among the birds is, that is Garutmanta. Vainata, Vinata, I am the son of the Vinata. Vinata, that is, he has described the Kadruva sons, that is snake, and the Garutmanta is the son of the Vinati. So these two wives are of the Kashyapa. So all these family members, I am that. So Vainterasya Pakshina, Pavana Pavatamasmi, Rama Shastrabhutamaham. Pavah Pavatamasmi, I am the air, wind of the purifier. Whatever the purifier is there, that is I am the wind. Pavah Pavatamasmi, Rama Shastrabhutamaham. I am the Sri Rama of the warriors. Among the warriors, I am the greatest warrior, that is Sri Rama. Jashanam Makaraschasmi, Srotasamasmi Jahnavi. Among the fishes, I am the crocodile. I am the crocodile. Jashanam Makaraschasmi, Srotasamasmi Jahnavi. Among the rivers, I am the Ganges. I am the Ganga Nadi. So whatever the prominent there structure is, I am that. Sarganam Adirantascha Majjanam Antayevacha. Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam Vada Pravratamaham. Sarganam Adirantascha Majjanam Antayevacha. Whatever the creation is there, I am the beginning, middle and ending. That is, I am everything of that creature. And Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam. That means among the knowledge, the science, I am the science of the all the spiritual sciences, that knowledge leading to the Paramatma, the spiritual knowledge. I am the that science, Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam. Among the other sciences, the spiritual knowledge as science, I am that science, that is Adhyatma Vidya. Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam Vada Pravadatamaham. I am the Vadam of the these controversialities and debates. So whoever